I got gloves on. You ever try to pick up micro screws, precision screws with gloves and work with them in the cold, in negative 19 degrees weather at night? I have. My gloves are not even in the camera's view, and they're just tipping it. So you have to be careful when you wear gloves. What's more important is trying to hit the shutter button with gloves. And this is why I said to DJI, we need a softer shutter button. It's not just for divers, it's for everyone wearing gloves or simply just pressing the button. You cannot make something so hard to crack the shell and get it to work. The only way I could get my camera to work, break open the shell. Go naked. Yeah. You know, like rib cage. Find something that works quite well for you. I don't use my camera underwater. I do use it in the rain. But we can make a better button. Well, as it gets dark, the camera does a good job in low light. Not many people love the Action 4 for low light, or not many people actually love the Action 5 for low light. Say they look cartoonish when they use super night. And on that note, the next video to come. Have a jolly, jolly Christmas and a Merry New Year. Happy New Year! With the KNF filter.